everyone. I'm here with our broker Hellen Burnell, and today we're going to answer some questions that we get often from first-time home buyers. So Helen, probably the most common question we get is, how much can I afford to pay for a new home?
You're right, we get that one a lot. It's going to depend on your guaranteed income and the amount of your down payment. The guaranteed income, it's the number of hours that you're scheduled to work every week or every pay period. If you are in a job where it's commission sales, or your hours are not guaranteed, or you get a lot of overtime, then what we do is we average your income over the last 2 years. What we're looking for, it's a certain percentage of your monthly income that we can use towards your house.
Another common question we get is, can I have a gifted down payment?
Yes, you can, and we get that question a lot with first-time home buyers. Gifted down payments are very popular. We look to have the gift coming from immediate family members. Lenders consider immediate family members to be parents, siblings, grandparents. We get a letter stating, signed by the gifter as well as the recipient to say that the funds are not repayable. We get proof that the funds are deposited into the bank account, and in some instances we have to provide confirmation of the source of those funds, but that's on a case-to-case basis.
So when buying a new home, what other costs can somebody incur?
Usually the costs that you're looking at for purchasing a home are really lawyer related. We put it all together under closing costs. The lawyers do searches on title to make sure there's nothing wild and woolly registered against the title of the property you're wanting to buy that would cause you or the lender any concern. They do a search on property taxes to make sure those are up to date. They charge for their cost to put together your mortgage, but the bulk of the costs that you're going to pay are Manitoba land transfer tax, and that's based on the purchase price of your home. The insurers look for 1.5% of the purchase price for these closing costs. But in talking with lawyers, realistically it's closer to 2% of the purchase price. And there may be a tax adjustment in there as well, depending on when you buy your house.
So probably the most common question we get is, how much do our services cost?
That's always a great answer that we like to give. Our services don't cost you anything.
Which is a great answer.
We're paid a finder's fee by the lender that does the deal because mortgages are very profitable for the banks. But our services to you are at no cost. So you can get us during the day, evenings, weekends. We'd love to hear from you.
Great, thanks so much. So we hope that answered some of your questions. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us or check out the other videos on our page for all your up-to-date mortgage information.